Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given area in an algebraic expression form, and we are also given the length, and we are tasked to find its breadth. So the very first thing for Mr. Tan, right, when I see the area and the length, right, this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will first think of how to factorize these two expressions. Okay, so you will then see Mr. Tan doing this as the working. I'm going to use the cross chart. Okay, you can use your other method as well. So x times x equals to x squared, and for 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, I must choose the pair of factors such that it can give me 7x. Yep. Because this will give me 1x, this will give me 6x, and if I add them up, 7x. So I know that my x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equals to x plus 6, x minus 1. So this will be the first part where I'm going to just indicate somewhere here. Okay. Now, for 3x squared plus 12x minus 36, when I factorize, I realize all can be divided by 3. That will give me x squared plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And I'm going to continue to factorize this using my cross chart. And at this point, x times x will give me my x squared. I must choose the factors of 12 carefully such that it can give me 4x. And yes, indeed, I will choose 6 and 2. Why? Because I saw a minus sign. And if I have 6 minus 2, that will give me my 4. And at the side is 6 times negative 2. It still gives me back my negative 12. And so, I would then have my 3x squared. Hold on for a while. Let me just adjust my writing so that I could be able to create some space. So this one will be x plus 6, x minus 2. Okay, now we are all ready to go back to the question again, having factorized the area and the length. And this is what you will see, because if we were to find the breadth, it will be the area divided by the breadth. And therefore, final answer, I do see a common factor here that I could divide off to give me final answer, x plus 1 over 3 bracket x minus 2 cm. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.